Hey guys, how you doing? In my last Galaxy Fold 2 video, I covered lots of information and details about the smartphone, and now there are few changes in the specs of Galaxy Fold 2, so I will cover up it in this video. This video is sponsored by nothing but 15 subscriber cookies. This is not a joke, this is a real company founded by me. So let's get started without being said. In 2019, Samsung launched the Galaxy Fold, which was a bit innovative, but it failed. There are few reasons behind that, but that's not our point. Recently, a tweet comes out from the tech guy on Twitter. He showed a pair of images which shows that the listing of battery components for a new Galaxy device. Couple of minutes later, the tweet XDay developers Max Wimbeck retweeted it, showing that there will be 4500 mAh battery. As of the tech guy, Galaxy Fold 2 will be introduced with two separate batteries. First one will be 2090 mAh and second one will be 2275 mAh, and sum of both batteries is 4365 mAh. While last year the predecessor was introduced with 4380 mAh battery. But as of Max Wimbeck, he says that the second Galaxy Fold 2 will have 4500 mAh. It means 135 mAh more units. Let's see what happens next about the Galaxy Fold 2. So let's get to the other details. And Galaxy Fold 2 is expected to launch alongside with the Galaxy Note 20 series in August, but another report suggests that the second generation Galaxy Fold 2 can launch after a few days of Galaxy Note 20 series in August. Because Samsung is also working on Galaxy Z Flip 5G, which is also expected to launch along with Note 20 series. Also recently, all new leak came out about the Apple's unexpected iPhone Flip. I don't think so Apple will launch a foldable smartphone in this upcoming months. And guys, what you know about this iPhone Flip phone? Text down me in comment section below. Rumors about Galaxy Fold 2's camera suggest that it will have a fancy bigger camera slicker with triple rear camera setup and enhanced digital and optical zoom. And more thing, according to the Max Wimbeck's tweet, there will be a cheaper Galaxy Fold device which will be named Galaxy Fold Lite or can be named Galaxy Fold E. What do you think about it? Also let me know in the comment section below. Also, the leaks are suggesting that Galaxy Fold 2's design will be a little bit same as last year's Galaxy Fold, but it will be better than the original Fold device. And also the second generation Galaxy Fold 2 could have a stylus. I will cover up each and every details about the Galaxy Fold in one of my upcoming videos. Please don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit side bell icon to not miss any content from my channel. And I will got you up in my next upcoming video. So till then, peace.